Hi friends, let us see this 95th problem. A is equal to root 5 by root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. B is equal to root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. అయితే ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు. ఓకేనా? సో మనకి ఏ ఇచ్చాడేంటి, రూట్ 5 ప్లస్ రూట్ 3 బై రూట్ 5 మైనస్ రూట్ 3. సో దీన్ని రేషనలైజింగ్ డినామినేటర్ చేస్తే, అంటే what is the rationalizing factor of this denominator root 5 minus root 3? The rationalizing factor of root 5 minus root 3 is root 5 plus root 3. So with that I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator so that I can write this numerator as a root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3, that is of root 5 plus root 3 the whole square by, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that can be written as a square minus b square. By using that I can write it as root 5 whole square minus root 3 the whole square. Now on elaborating it, this I can write it as root 5 the whole square, ante 5 plus 3 plus 5 2 into root 5 into root 3, that is root 15 by this I can write it as an square root get cancel, 5 minus 3 is 2, that is equals to, from this we get it as an a is equals to 8 plus 2 root 15 by 2. From this we can write a square is equals to 8 plus 2 root 15 whole square by 2 square is 4. Similarly we get b is also, and rationalizing the denominator, b is also we get it as an 8 minus 2 root 15 by 2 you will get. From this b square we get it as an 8 minus 2 root 15 whole square by 2 square is that is 4. Now what we are asked to find out, we are asked to find out a square plus b square. A square value we got it as an 8 plus 2 root 15 the whole square by 4 plus b square value we got it as an 8 minus 2 root 15 whole square by 4. As these two are like fractions, we can add denominators, we can add very easily by taking common denominator and adding the numerators. So numerators we can elaborate it as an 8 square a plus b whole square formula. By using this a plus b whole square formula we can elaborate it. Again by using a minus b whole square formula we can elaborate it, and elaborating it you will get an 8 square 64 plus 2 square 4 into 15, that is 60 plus 8 to the 16 32. So 32 root 15 you will get. Similarly on elaborating this one you will get it as 64 plus 60 minus 32 root 15 you will get by 4. So minus 32 root 15 plus 32 root 15 will get cancelled, and adding this 64 plus 60 124 4 plus 124, okay, 248 by 4, this is equals to 62. So on simplifying this you will get a 62. So from the answer options second one is the correct answer. And let us see 96 problem వచ్చేసి 24 సెంటీమీటర్స్ అంచుగా గల ఒక ఘనఘనాన్ని కరిగించి 3 సెంటీమీటర్ల అంచుగా గల చిన్న ఘనాలుగా మార్చారు. అప్పుడు ఏర్పడిన చిన్న ఘనాల సంఖ్య ఏమంటున్నారు. ఒక పెద్ద ఘనాన్ని, పెద్ద క్యూబ్ని కరిగించి చిన్న క్యూబులుగా చేశారు. అట్లా ఎన్ని క్యూబులు అయినాయి అని అంటున్నాడు. సో ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్మాల్ క్యూబ్స్ is equals to volume of big cube by volume of small cube. సో పెద్ద క్యూబ్ ఈచ్ సైడ్ ఎంత 24 సెంటీమీటర్స్, అంటే వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ క్యూబ్ ఫార్ములా వి నోట్ యాజ్ ఏ క్యూబ్, అంటే దీన్ని 24 into 24 by volume of small cube, that is 3 cube, that means 3 into 3. So 3 1 3 8 3 1 3 8 3 1 3 8. From this you get it as an 8 into 8. So on multiplying this you will get a 512, that you will get. So ఎన్ని చిన్న క్యూబ్స్ ఏర్పడతాయండి, 512. అంటే ఆన్సర్ ఆప్షన్ ఏంటి, 4th one is correct option.